Hey folks, I'm bored, so I wanted to do something fun today. I mowed 3 days ago, and we have a bit of a warm front pushing through with temps in the high 70s, so I thought it would be a perfect day to get out. You can still see the mower tracks, which can be an annoyance. If you have a real mower that doesn't have a drum or front roller, I have something that may help with the mower tracks and give you some clean stripes. Let's get on it. I put down my last application of nitrogen, herbicide, and fungicide for the season a few days ago. I also applied PGR to slow down and stabilize the growth. Since we are in a transition zone, we tend to get some really weird temperature swings during winter and spring. I'm hoping this PGR helps. The plan is to use my lawn leveler, which typically has a single purpose to get the blades to stand up and get most of the mower tracks removed. I'm using 2 bricks to add a bit of weight to get down in the canopy and also walk backwards. You have to place the bricks further back or it'll flip forward on you. Let's see if we can get rid of these mower tracks and get some good stripes burned in. This will be my new pastime during fall and winter. I may even try different patterns to confuse the neighbors. I'll bring you back once it's all done. Man, just look at those stripes. Amazing. Who would have thought a lawn leveler could do something like this? I really enjoy this method of cutting in the stripes in between mows. I expect that once my lawn is in full regulation from the PGR, I will be mowing like once or twice a month. Walking these stripes in will definitely make sure that my lawn looks good for when the Google car drives by. Well folks, if you like this video, please smash that like button. And if you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching, and keep on cutting.